I've already pre-tapped this metal, so I just tapped hard steel into it and made it clean. Now that I drilled out those holes, I was able to put the mount on there, and I found some screws that I have laying around, and put them on there. And I just gotta find some nuts, and I'm just mocking this up so that I can mount it, and then take it off and paint it, because when I bought this, the manufacturer sent it like this with all these marks on it. So, anyways, that's the rack, top rack mount, and then the bag mount I had to put on. And it is a self-tap screw. So, which is, I think, going to be the hardest. So, I'm lining it up, and then I have to mark where those holes are going to go in the bag, and drill them out, measure twice, cut once. That's the trick. And then what's cool about this thing, once I get it on there, and then I have this plate there, so I go in, that comes off. So I measured this a couple times just to make sure it was straight, and I put it on there and not be straight. So there we go. Here's nothing. No perfection, so I gotta make sure. I have to make sure it's on there, or else it'll bug the shit out of me. Nice and flush in it. So I'm all about that nice and flush effect. Last but not least is the nuts. Gotta make sure you put your nuts on, right?